Today I'll be making coconut. I've already peeled the shell away. This is how it looks like. So I am slicing it into smaller pieces. So the name I call it is coconut. Maybe you can leave it in the comment section. The name you call your own. I call my own coconut with sugar. I don't know how you can name your own coconut candy or something. So I'll be making it. This is how I'll cut it. I'll cut it in smaller pieces. So, and then I'll fry it. I'll put sugar and then some other things. And then when I get started, you can see everything. Okay, let's go there. This is how I cut it to smaller pieces. So let's get started. I'll put it in this plastic and then wash it. Remove all the particles inside, the black particles. I will be frying the coconut. So I'll be putting a bit water, a bit, for it to cook. It's getting melt. It's melting. You see it? pinch of salt, just like this. So I'll be putting the coconut inside. This is how I place it. I use my spoon to put it in the smaller pieces to make it like a ball. When it cools down a bit, I will use my hand to mold it, and then it comes candy, coconut candy. Look at it, looking yummy. Can you see it? Please send your name or the name of your candy. Mommy, I don't know the name I'm supposed to call it, but I name it candy, coconut candy. Coconut candy. If you are not subscribed on this channel, Adedoyin Kitchen and More, please do so. Subscribe, like, and more videos are coming on the way. Thank you. Bye. Can you see it after molding? This is how it looks like. Yeah, very delicious. Nice. You can see it. Thank you.